Alright guys, welcome back. Sorry I'm in uniform. I was able to get off work for a little bit to come pick this up. So, before we get to this later on today or tonight, because I gotta go back to work, what do you guys think this is? Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. It's big and heavy, but kind of light. What do you guys think it is? I'll give you guys a hint. Carbon though. So we'll come back with you guys a little bit later. Gotta go back to work, so I'll catch you guys back. Welcome back, guys. As you guys can see, I now changed back into regular clothes instead of being in uniform. We've got new stuff. First, look who's here. Oh, no. The other person's hiding behind the chair. Say hi. Hi. We've got some new stuff to look at. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open up the contents to the box. We're gonna use that camera over there. We can.
I was gonna take over.
Yeah, we can do both.
Alright.
Oh shit! Oh snap! It says Seibon.
Oh man.
So I guess it is a 40-pound piece of product.
Why did the screen shut off on this?
That's just what it is.
So is it still video? Is it still video?
Yeah.
GoPro, obviously. I think we should look at this later and open up this fucking hood. That's just frickin' hood.
Jeez. I feel like in handcuffs and stuff that doesn't.
Oh, hold that. This is like there we go.
There's still more. What I told you guys in the last video, your boy was getting a carbon fiber hood.
I don't know what just happened.
You're allowed to buy it.
So, some stuff that I will have to talk with Seibon about is that crap right there. Looks like clear coat. Just scratch here.
What is it? It's a heart. Good job.
It looks like he made. So we finally got the hood off, as you guys can see. This one's definitely nicer. Because that's where I was standing, so I know where it is. That's how I lose stuff all the time, is putting stuff there. Maybe I should just drive around like this, right? Jared is more interested in this than I would expect. As people know, with carbon fiber or aftermarket parts, a lot of it doesn't fit properly. So these two things right here, as you guys will see, hits the hood. Let me see if I can get you guys. The hood. So we're gonna try and modify these parts, either bend them down some more or hammer it down. See if we can get this to be able to fully latch. So we'll come back to you guys when we figure that out. It just got dark. We're taking the holes and we're drilling them out more, as you guys can see. We're elongating the holes to raise up the actual latch itself so it sits higher.
So this can go from here up
as high as we need to, which will allow the hood to shut. It shouldn't be more than, like, what do you want to say, like a 1/4 of an inch left. It can't be more than that.
Not much more to go.
But we're gonna go ahead and finish this up. If we do get it to latch the way we need to. All right, after much stress and a lot more stress, we finally got it to fucking work. What we ended up having to do is not only drill out that hole that we were talking about, but this whole mechanism. Let me see if I can fucking do it. This whole mechanism, you need to make sure is not angled out. Even when it was, before we put the new hood on, it was already angled out. So what we had to do is bend it back forward, apply a little extra pressure on the top, and it sat perfectly in there. Still has room to unlatch and latch. And the only bolt that's missing is this one right here. So you can either re-drill a hole like it says in some parts of the manual that doesn't go specifically for the Skyline, or you can just leave it not there. I'm just gonna choose to leave it not there because fuck it. But you cannot, excuse my language, you cannot run your stock grill. You have to get a new grill. So yeah, stress.
That shit sucked.
It was
For a hood, like, I figured it would just close. No, we had to bend the shit out of it and drill the shit out of it just for it to latch.
And so I'll end up taking another video tomorrow morning so you guys can see what the hood looks like in the light, but there'll be no grill. So we'll catch you guys back tomorrow, and hopefully we don't have to run into this issue again. I know I'm gonna have to lower the car again because a fucking gap back there now. Alright guys, it's the next day. So now that we got some daylight, we can go ahead and show you exactly without having to use like a flashlight in the dark. So let's go pop the hood. So what we had to do, drill out a little bit here and there because these two hinges that we bent down were still hitting it. So what we ended up doing, and if you guys can see if I can get you guys close in there, you guys can kind of see the lip or the open area here, and it'll probably be hard to see here. What we ended up doing was we took the locking mechanism itself for the hood and we drilled out the hole. Well, we elongated both of these holes. We also removed this bolt right here, and then if you notice, the angle of everything is kind of sloped down for the original hood. So what me and Jared did was we pushed up against this using whatever you got at home to bring it up more straight. So when we drop the hood, you can watch it latch, maybe. There you go. Because it's got to go all the way down. And our issue was it was stopping right about here every time until we lifted it up, moved everything up and straightened it, and then now it finally fully latches. So this is what the car looks like. Woo. I'm gonna have to go move the car for you guys. And as you get further down, you want to put the full finger in there. The grill does not fit anymore. Perfect fitment almost all the way up here. This all sounds so great. I do need to get in contact with them, though, Seibon. You guys can see right here, the carbon fiber twill is being shown. That's my only big gripe about the hood in general. Otherwise, to me, it looks great. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below about the new install of the hood. It took us like 5 hours to install because we really didn't have an idea of what we were doing. So one of the things I definitely need to do though is get a new grill. So maybe some more content in the future. It's gonna take a minute to get here, obviously, during these times and stuff. But we'll catch you guys back tomorrow because we're gonna go get this bad boy tinted, and then that'll be the end of the clip for you guys. Welcome back, guys. We went and got the car tinted this morning. Out of privacy for Mike, I decided not to videotape it, but say hi, baby. Yeah, so I decided not to videotape it, but we got it done at 10 o'clock this morning. Went with the legal limit of the tint for Georgia, which I think was, if I remember us talking about it, he did a really great job, if you guys can't tell. And he's always, go ahead, shout out, a guy that I met out on Facebook. His name is Sean Mayo. He was also wanting information on the hood, so other people need this information who want carbon fiber hoods that don't have this information, because I couldn't find anything on the hood. So Sean Mayo, this one goes out to you. Also, I would recommend hood pins for anybody who gets it, because ooh, that's pretty dark from that angle. Yeah, so hood pins are definitely a must if you're going to be going, definitely if you're going on the highway, especially with the way this is. So at some point we are going to end up needing to get hood pins installed. I will not do it because I am not that great at installing stuff like that. So I'll probably have to take that to somebody to get done because I'll fuck it up. I'll mess it up. Tell everybody bye. Stay tuned for the next video. We don't have any car parts really for the next video, so we might do 10 things we like about our Skylines or 10 things we dislike about our Skylines. Let me know what you guys would like to see between the two videos in the comments below, whichever one gets picked first. The next one will follow the following week. Hopefully by then we'll have some car parts, considering my passenger ball joint decided to take a poop on me. So every time I turn, take a hard turn, it knocks, or if I go over anything hard, it knocks. So more stuff to work on the car, and hopefully that part ships out next week. Catch you guys.